Grade 7, Unit 8, Healthy Habits. Good day, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about healthy habits. The theme of the lesson is discussing healthy habits and healthy living and learning about the food pyramid. Learning objectives are understand with some support most of the detail of an argument in extended talk on a limited range of general and curricular topics. Use speaking and listening skills to solve problems creatively and cooperatively in groups. Assessment criteria recognize particular information and details about healthy and unhealthy habits. Apply the topic related vocabulary in speech. So, boys and girls, look at this cluster and repeat the words. Good health habits: dieting, eating whole meal bread, riding a bike, exercising and doing sports, eating high fiber food, regularity in life, cleaning teeth, washing hands before meals, eating low-fat food. In this task, you have to write 5 healthy habits that will change your life. Write on your copybooks. And I suggest you to watch the video about healthy food. Let's watch, boys and girls.
The foods you need to eat every day can be organized into a pyramid. The first food group, colored orange, on the pyramid is the grain group. Grains come from wheat, corn, and oats. They are used to make foods like bread, cereal, tortillas, and pasta such as spaghetti. Popcorn is also a grain. The second food group on the pyramid is vegetables, and this group is colored green. Fresh, frozen, or canned vegetables are all healthy choices. It's important to eat vegetables that are different colors, such as green broccoli, red pepper, orange carrots, yellow corn, and white potatoes. The next group is fruits, and they are colored red on the pyramid. Fruits can be fresh, frozen, canned, or in a juice. There are lots of fruit to choose from. For example, this group includes oranges, bananas, strawberries, apples, and pineapples. The blue-colored section of the pyramid is the milk group. This group doesn't only include regular milk and chocolate milk that you drink. Foods in the milk group can also be yogurt, cheese, and pudding. The final group is the protein group, which is colored purple on the pyramid. Proteins include beef, chicken, and fish, but there are other foods that are part of the protein group that vegetarians might eat, such as eggs, beans, nuts, and peanut butter.
So, boys and girls, have watched this video. You have got your home task. In this task, you should answer to these questions. Which food or drinks give us a lot of energy? Which ones keep our muscles strong? Which food or drinks give us a lot of harmful? What is the damage to the body? Answer to the questions and write on your exercise book and send me on WhatsApp. Goodbye, boys and girls.